Hello and welcome to the Plant-Based Holiday Feast. I'm Chantel and I am so excited to embark on this delicious journey with you.
In this series, we'll be reimagining classic holiday dishes in a plant-based healthy way. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just looking to explore more plant-based options, the series is for you. We'll be serving up a scrumptious menu that will impress even the most die-hard meat lovers. From creamy plant-based mac and cheese to smoky collard greens, sweet candied yams, crispy buttermilk fried oyster mushrooms, and mouth-watering cinnamon rolls, we've got it all.
Not only will you learn how to create these amazing dishes, but you'll also discover incredible flavors and healthy benefits to a plant-based diet. We're here to show you the plant-based cooking is anything but bland. It's a celebration of flavors. Throughout this series, I'll be your guide, sharing step-by-step instructions, cooking tips, and the passion for my plant-based cooking. We're going to make your holidays not only delicious, but also healthier.
But this isn't just about food. It's about coming together with friends and family, sharing the joy of the holiday season, and making choices that align with our values.
So join us for the Plant-Based Holiday Feast, your one-step destination for creating unforgettable plant-based holiday memories. Cheers to a holiday season filled with love, joy, and incredible food. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming recipes. Let's make this holiday season a little healthier and a lot more flavorful together.